Leftover rice, make it delish. Savory miso ground beef simmered rice, NIKUMISO ZOSUI. Shiso, as much as you like. Finely chop. $30 of green onion. Finely chop. One tablespoon of Tenmenjan or miso and Mirin. 1 teaspoon of Tenmenjan or cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the pan well. 100 grams of ground beef. Stir fry the ground beef. Once cooked through to some extent, add the sauce made earlier. Stir and simmer until the moisture is completely gone. One tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of somichantan or your favorite bouillon or stock powder. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of mirin. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. One egg. Beat the egg well. Medium heat. $200 ml of water. Add the broth base made earlier. Bring to a light boil. Add the chopped green onions. 180 grams of cooked rice. Leftover thawed frozen rice is also fine. Stir until it comes to a light boil. Once some moisture has evaporated, add the beaten egg. Once the egg is cooked, turn off the heat. Pour the simmered rice into a bowl. Top with the miso ground beef. Garnish with the chopped herbs on top. 今日の料理は肉味噌雑炊でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.